video. I'm back with a quick haul video. Well, I'm saying quick because I only have a little bit of time to record this video. It's a haul video from IMATS. Yep, your girl has a huge haul video coming to you guys right now from IMATS LA. It was the first beauty show of 2019, and let me tell you, LA did not skip a beat. I'm hoping you guys were following me on my Instagram, because if you did, you know that when I got to the airport, I weighed in at about 40 pounds in my luggage, but when your girl was coming home, she weighed right in at 50 pounds. Her carry-on bag was completely full, and I should be kind of embarrassed that another box is going to arrive to me on Friday because I couldn't fit everything in my luggage. So I'm hoping that gives you a little bit of a scale of what this haul is going to look like. Quick little note, if you have not ever attended IMATS, there is going to be another one in New York. There's also going to be one in London. There's also going to be one in Toronto. Those are the ones that I remember off the top of my head that are going down in 2019. Because I am a part of the Stylazzi squad, if you are going to be in either one of those areas and your girl is scheduled to be there, come through my comment section here, DM me, or you can email me at makeupbykiani@gmail.com, and maybe we can actually meet up while I'm in one of your cities as a Stylazzi team guest. So with all that being said, I'm thinking you guys came for the haul. Let's get into it. So the first thing I want to show you guys, which I just kind of did, I finally invested in an International Makeup Artist Trade Show hoodie, which is what IMATS stands for. I'm obsessed with IMATS. I have been since my very first time going to IMATS in LA about 2 years ago now, and I just love IMATS in LA. It's just one of my favorite ones. So I did go ahead and invest in the hoodie. It was $45, but I'll be wearing this out, okay? With that being said, there's so many things that I want to show you guys that I don't want the products to get lost, because I'm very appreciative that a lot of the brands actually offer me product for review. But I do these videos for you guys, which means it's going to be time for you to hang on to your seat, get in your notepad, to write down what it is you want to see first. There's so many brands that I'm going to show you guys. I tried to bring back the newest products, things that you might not even be able to find in a Sephora or Ulta for like several months, because a lot of times IMATS is a place that they launch new products, so you might be actually hearing it here first. So if there's anything that actually piqued your interest, make sure that you comment in the comment section. I'll keep an eye out in the comment section so I know what you guys want to see next. And you know what, if you're not already following me on Instagram, that's where my polls will be going on for 2019. Make sure that you're following me on all my social platforms. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel to never miss another upload. But as for now, let's go ahead and get into my IMATS 2019 haul. Let's go ahead and start with the brand Bodyography. Bodyography is one of my favorite brands. They always have amazing skin-based cream-like products, and they did not disappoint. This year, I was definitely on the hunt for skin products, like new skincare products. I think this year I definitely want to dive into products that I think might be user-friendly, that are anti-aging products. I think that's what my jam is going to be for 2019 as far as skincare. I received a hydrating mask. I have to say, I've already tried this. I've already put this on my Instagram. I'm obsessed with it. I also received the From Within highlighting powder. They have a new Disco to Dawn, which is another highlighting powder palette. Something else new is the Bodyography Pro Ready Set Go Makeup Setting Spray. And lastly, from Bodyography, I received the Skin and Cream Foundation Palette. I basically requested for this because you guys know that I like to contour and highlight, oftentimes using the same formulation of product. And lastly, Bodyography just came out with a new mascara. Let's see what type of brush it has. Yep, I know I'm going to love that style brush. So I'm looking forward to putting all the products from Bodyography on camera. Next up, we have the brand Vera Mona. Some of you might be familiar with the Vera Mona Color Switch. This is an instant brush cleaner, meaning that you can actually switch your eyeshadows by just swirling it around on the color switch. Vera Mona is also responsible for the Cake and Bake Beauty Sponge. Next up is the Guilty Glow highlighter in the color Forbidden. There were two shades, but it looks like I received two of the same, so I'm excited to try one of those, and I'm sure my daughter's going to end up with the other one. And lastly, from Vera Mona is their Cake and Glow highlighting brush. So big thanks to Vera Mona for offering those products for review as well. Next up, let's move on to the brand Ofra. Ofra Cosmetics is no stranger to the beauty industry. Everyone knows about their highlighters and lip glosses. This year at IMATS, they were reformulating the packaging, and I ended up with this Francesca Gilded palette. Absolutely stunning packaging once I got it open, but just so you guys can see, it's a beautiful contour and highlight palette. You guys know I love a good contour and highlight palette, honey. And I also received this obscenely amazing reddish orange lipstick in the shade Vermilion. Next up, these are two environmentally friendly makeup removing cloths, and they come in from the brand Take My Face Off. I am obsessed with this concept because these are supposedly ultra gentle, reusable makeup removing mitts. And basically the premise behind these is you can actually use your makeup removing cleanser on these mitts, also throw them into the wash, so it should eliminate us using so many makeup removing wipes. So I think this is a fantastic concept. The next brand that I want to highlight is Cozzette. Cozzette's mascara, face powder, and contour palette were some of my top products of 2018, and they offered me this aromatherapy brush cleaner. You guys know that I'm totally a fan of the Cinema Secrets. I always purchase this, but I have noticed with the Cinema Secrets, my bristles get a little bit drier, and it might be because of the alcohol and the antibacterial agent in this. I'm not sure, but I definitely want to be trying this on camera, so you guys let me know if that's something you want to see. Next, coming in from another one of my favorite brands, Moira Cosmetics. You guys know, if you watched my best of 2018, Moira's makeup removing wipes, I did totally invest in about 4 packs of these in the travel friendly size. I am obsessed with them. They totally work. One makeup removing wipe totally takes off a full day of show makeup for me. But they also offered me this Electric Nights palette. It's so pretty. This is some of the colors that you will see here. Pops of green, beautiful purples. I also received the Moira Multi-Illuminated Cushion Compacts, 2 shades of the Weightless Full Coverage Ultra Longwear Foundation. They were also generous enough to offer me their new Endless Setting Powders. And it seems like there is one that's a radiant finish and one that is a matte finish. So instead of using a powder, I'm assuming that I would actually use these in lieu of powder. Sounds like a very good YouTube concept. And lastly, from Moira Cosmetics, I received a fine brow pencil. Another new brand that's hitting it hard in 2019 is coming in from the brand Ruby May Cosmetics. I actually had the pleasure of meeting the owner of Ruby May Cosmetics at the makeup show. I'm going to say going on about 2 years now, and let me tell you, these girls are on the ball. So they did give me some swag. I have me a Ruby May hoodie, a Ruby May hat, which is going to serve me well once I get back into the gym. Also coming in from Ruby May are 2 palettes. This one is an 18 color eyeshadow palette. This one is not glitter again, so you can tell that the color stories are going to be very strong. Beautiful pops of color. This one is a pressed glitter palette. Super pretty. If those colors come out anything like what they look here in the pan, I'm going to be totally obsessed. Super cute things coming in from Ruby May. I'm looking forward to working with them in 2019. Let's mix it up a little bit, shall we? I've given you several brands that you probably have not heard of before. Let's move into a few brands that I'm sure you guys are familiar. Coming in from Bioderma. Bioderma is definitely known for their makeup removing strategies, but they have also come out with makeup removing wipes. These are the sensitive skin makeup removing wipes, and in this packet there are 25s. Bioderma also has extended their skincare line, and I've received the moisturizing concentrate, which is for very dehydrated, sensitive skin. Another company I know you guys are going to lose your mind. Morphe Cosmetics had a huge space at IMATS 2019, and your girl has gotten her hand on the sample packets of the new Morphe foundation. I did receive sample packs of each one of the levels, so all the shades in level 1 light, all the shades in level 2, which is medium, all the shades in level 3, which is tan, and 4, which is rich. So every one of the shades I have right here. Of course, when IMATS hit, the new foundation has not been released as of yet other than to paid influencers. So I'm excited to have gotten my hands on these samples so I can choose my shade. And of course, if you guys want a review on the Morphe foundation, let me know. Another brand that I'm sure you guys have heard of, LA Cosmetics. For the third year in a row, I was asked to cut a promo for LA Girl. You guys know I'm a fan of their Pro Glow foundation. It was one of my favorites. I definitely equivocate that to the Makeup Forever HD foundation. And yep, they came out with tons of new products. I'm actually wearing their new eyeliner right now. It is really good, and actually I'm wearing the lipstick too. I couldn't wait. Some of the colors that I received in the eyeliners, I love these pops of color, and just from my experimentation today, they go on really smooth. They also have come out with foundation mixing pigments, and I want to say there were 4 if not 5, but I chose the ones that I think that I would mostly use. I told you that I received this lipstick, and you'll see it has some glitter in it. I received 2 of their top colors, and also new from LA Girl are the Pro Preps. These are HD color correcting face primers, so I'm excited to be trying these as well. Another brand that I know you guys heard of, don't worry, I didn't get anything from MAC, but they were nice enough to give people these big bags that are actually really good quality. I didn't need anything from MAC, but if you were watching my IG stories, you know that we did partake in a few photo ops, let's just say that. But I did get tons of products from Sigma Cosmetics. Let's jump right in. Sigma Cosmetics has come out with a new skincare brush set. I received this. They are all basically for different steps of your skincare routine. Skincare is going to be so big in 2019, you guys. So if you haven't allowed the peer pressure or your skin to start you on this journey for 2019, I don't think you're going to be able to avoid skincare, okay? I also received the Solid Makeup Brush Cleaner, the Sigmagic Scrub. So it's supposed to deep cleanse my brushes. It has a little stopper here to keep it in your sink, so that's really cute. Also, I have the brush cleaning mat. They also gave me the brush shampoo, the Aurora powder, the Viper eyeshadow palette, the Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and their new Sculpt highlight and contouring palette, all from Sigma. And lastly, I received a new Sigma F80 Kabuki brush. Comment down below if you have been following my channel for a while and you remember my very first Sigma brush set. I mean, we're talking about going back about 4 years ago. I'm going to leave that video in the description box. If you're waiting on the good lab, honey, it's in the description box. A few more brands that you guys probably have not heard much of. I have talked about Egyptian Queen Beauty. Sorry about the bag, it didn't travel well. They have given me a new bob synthetic wig. I'm super excited to try this. Look how creamy blonde that is. Ooh, girl, I'm so excited. They also gave me several new boxes of their eyelashes. So many different styles. The packaging is absolutely stunning. So I'm looking forward to putting these to good use. Another new company that hit it hard for IMATS 2019. They had the best, I'm going to say probably the best marketing strategy. They had their people walking around with these beautiful, what I call head wraps that have OMG. I wanted this so bad. Their booth was directly across from ours, and I can just see me doing a quick video with my hair pulled back with this obnoxious bow and looking even crazier than I normally look when I'm putting my makeup on. The company is Cailyn, but the strategy is what I think is another skincare system. So I received a white one in here. I also have a detox and bubbling mask, step 1. I have a 2-in-1 kit, which is a detox and bubbling microfiber mask. This is what the mask actually look like. There is a 3-in-1 peel off mask. And lastly, there is a 4-in-1 zone system mask. All of that is in their skincare kit. So that's basically what the hair wrap is for, to keep your hair back while you're masking. But they didn't stop there. They also put a mask brush in the little kit. There's one more thing in here. There is another one. This one is a 3-in-1 hair repair kit. Oh my gosh. I also received more hair clips, and these are no crease, no marking, no bend hair clips. Those are going to be fantastic to go in my makeup kit. Cailyn also launched their Oh Wow foundation. This one is called More Than Makeup New Skinwears. So they had a few shades, and I got my hands on a few. Next up is a traveling brush set. This one comes in from Beaute Sol. Oh my God, you guys, like I squealed when I saw this beautiful color. They are also in collaboration with Ofra Beauty. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 travel size pro brushes. And it goes all the way from a fan brush, a pointed foundation brush, angled powder brush, precision lip, eyeliner, concealer, angled shading, blending, and another shading brush. We have tons of vacations coming up for this year with my family that I won't have to be so stage makeup like, so I'm excited to try this. Next up is the brand Frankie Rose, but I received from them the Pro Contour Palette from Frankie Rose Cosmetics. All the girls at Frankie Rose Cosmetics makeup look absolutely stunning, mainly their foundation. So I received 3 bottles of the Frankie Rose foundation to make sure I can find my right shade, a matte primer, and lastly, look at this cute little glow bag. It had a lip gloss, a highlighting kit, and eyeliner, but this is the packet. So there you have my haul from IMATS LA. Big thanks to all the brands that offered me products for your review. Now it's time for you guys to comment down below. What products do you want to actually see here on my channel next? And you guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links and never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I have no idea what you're waiting on. We're 453 videos and counting, but the only thing that's missing is you. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.